Hello, we are happy to be with you in the next lesson of Install Exterior Cladding. My name is Habineza Michel.
And I am Habimana Ngabire Devot. We are both trainers at Untitled School.
In the last video we did trial assembly and apply the finishes.
Let's now proceed with final assembly of cladding frame or studs.
Enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, my name is Seti Munyehirwe. I'm the carpentry trainer at Untitled School. We are going to have lesson 4 in install exterior cladding. In this lesson, it's about fixing the studs of the cladding. The objective of this lesson is that at the end you will be able to fix the studs in a proper way. Before we start, I just want to request you to follow well and take notes where it is necessary so that in case you have to repeat the same process, it will be easier for you. In fixing the studs, of course, we need them. So besides this, we also need the wall plugs and the screws. The reason why we need them is just to fix the studs on the wall, and mainly the wall plugs will be helping us to make sure that the screws are really strong inside the wall. As you can see, the studs are not cut. What we'll do first, we'll have to cut them according to the size that we have here on the house, and then after we will have to start marking where they will be in the exact places. I prepared 1 meter of distance between the studs, and then after marking we have to fix them. As we can understand, we need tools. That's why in the beginning, as we will start by cutting the studs, we need the trim saw to cut them or to trim them on the length. First of all, we need the hammer driller and the drilling bit, which is designed to drill in the wall. Besides this, we need the hammer because we need to fix the wall plugs inside the wall with the hammer. And finally, we will need the power driller just to fix the screws. But then in the very beginning, we will have to use the marking tools and measuring tools so that we can know the exact position of the studs. It is necessary to check carefully the exact position of studs in order to simply make sure that siding will properly be connected. The studs have to be measured, marked, and cut according to the place where they will be fixed. When the studs are ready, we check their level, and then after drilling for the wall plugs is done. We need to insert the wall plugs in order to fix the studs strongly. Now all the studs are fixed, so they are even leveled. The level was checked, so I think I've seen how I checked it. And now as they are all fixed, we based on them start fix the exterior sidings. In case the cladding it's fixed where it is supposed, let's say to have much water dropping on it, we need to use the vapor barrier or moisture barrier. So what we will have to do before we fix the studs, we will have to take this material or this vapor barrier, and then we fix it on the wall before we do any other thing. The way to fix it, we can use the nails and we fix them just with the hammer.
Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.
goodbye.